What if I told you that the universe doesn't actually have ears? It isn't listening to your wants, your prayers for someday, or even your well-intentioned hope. It has a sensor, and that sensor is tuned exclusively to who you are being right now. Most people treat the law of attraction like a grocery list. But the truth is, you don't get what you want, you get what you are. Today we are mastering the most famous and most misunderstood of the 12 universal laws, the law of attraction. This is the law that acts as the great cosmic mirror. If you've been manifesting for months and seeing zero results, it's because you're likely stuck in the wanting trap. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to share the I Am Reality Anchor, a specific physical technique that forces your brain to stop waiting for your future and start living it today. This is how you stop chasing and start attracting. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. In the quantum field, every thought and feeling has a specific vibrational frequency. Because of the law of divine oneness we discussed in video 1, you are always connected to the frequency of your desires. The law of attraction is simply the mechanism that pulls those frequencies together. The mistake most people make is focusing on the gap. When you say, I want more money, you are broadcasting the frequency of lack, the feeling of not having it. The universe, being a perfect mirror, responds by giving you more experiences of wanting. To change what you are receiving, you must change your feeling state. You have to broadcast the frequency of the wish fulfilled before the physical evidence even shows up. You aren't attracting it from far away. You are tuning in to the version of you that already has it. Let's look at how this magnetic pull actually functions in your daily life. Think about a time you were desperately searching for your keys or a specific document. The more you panicked and felt the loss, the more they seemed to hide. It's only when you calmed down and moved into the state of, I'll find them, the state of certainty, that they suddenly appeared right in front of you. Your internal state of lack literally blinded you to the solution that was already there. Or have you ever noticed that when you are feeling truly confident and happy within yourself, people seem to flock to you? You aren't trying to get attention. Your frequency is simply a match for it. Conversely, when someone is desperate for love or approval, people often feel a subconscious urge to pull away. The law of attraction responds to the energy of completion, not the energy of need. And finally, for example, if you look at your bank account and feel a pit in your stomach, you are anchoring yourself to the frequency of not enough. Even if you work 80 hours a week, you're working against the wind. But when you start to appreciate the flow, even the $5 in your pocket, you shift from a state of friction to a state of gratitude. Since gratitude is the ultimate state of receivership, the law of attraction begins to mirror that flow back to you in unexpected ways. So, how do we stop the wanting and start the being? We use the I Am Reality anchor. The universe doesn't respond to your words, it responds to your feeling state. To manifest, you must bridge the gap between your current reality and your future self. You do this by claiming your desire in the present tense, coupled with a physical sensation. Your action item today is to write 3 sentences, starting with, I am so grateful now that, followed by your desire as if it has already happened. For example, I am so grateful now that my business is thriving. While you read these aloud, hold a physical object that represents that future, like a key for a new home or a piece of jewelry you'd wear to your dream job. This physical anchor helps lock the feeling into your nervous system, signaling to the universe that you are ready to receive. Mastering the law of attraction is about becoming the person who already has the thing you desire. But remember, the universe requires a physical bridge to bring that manifestation into your hands. In our next video, we're moving into the law of inspired action, where I'll show you the 5-minute nudge rule to make sure you aren't just dreaming, but actually co-creating with the universe. If you're ready to turn your magnetism up to 100%, subscribe to Her Quantum Reality. Comment magnetic below to claim your power today. I'll see you next time.